Hello everyone, welcome to Gogetmyguru. In this Python video, you will be learning about validate mobile number using RegEx. So first we'll look at validation criteria. Mobile number must be 10 digits and start digit of the mobile number should be in between 6 and 9 and rest of the 9 digits should contain the values between 0 to 9. And also if you are including country code as 0, mobile number can be 11 digits, and if country code is 91, then mobile number can be 12 digits. Now we'll look at how to write regular expression. First we'll import ray module. After importing ray module, I'll define one function here. So define is valid and I'll pass parameter as number to this. Now inside this function, I'll define pattern. So pattern is equal to, I'll make use of compile method here because this pre-compiles regular expression into regular expression object. So first thing we have to check is whether country code is given. So country code is 0 or 91. So this can occur only one time. I'll make use of question mark here. After that, mobile number can also have hyphen or white space after this 0 or 91. This can also occur one time or 0 time. So question mark again. As I said, the first digit of your mobile number should be in between 6 to 9. So I am giving here 6 to 9 and rest of the digit should be between 0 and 9. So instead of writing 0 and 9, I can just write /d here and these are for 9 digits. So this is our regular expression. Now, so this function should return the result of pattern dot match number. Now, we'll just input the number from the user input, enter the number. Here, I'll make use of if condition. If is valid number, then I'll print valid mobile number. Else, we should print invalid mobile number. So now let's run this first. It's asking us to enter the number. First I'll enter with country codes. So I'll start with 91 and I'll give hyphen here and then I'll start first digit with 6. First digit should be in between 6 to 9. So we'll give correct value. So I'll start with 6. So now it is telling a valid number. Now, so let's run this program once again. So this time I'll enter with 0 and I'll start from 9. So still it is a valid. This time we'll enter without country code. So I'll start from 7 this time. 7. So this is a valid number. Now this time let's enter wrong mobile number. So I'll enter 1, 2, 3. Only 3 digits. Let's see what happens. So invalid mobile number. Now again I'll enter country code, but I'll enter the starting digit which is not in between 6 and 9. So I'll start with 2. So now still it is invalid number. We have checked for all the combinations. If you find these videos useful, kindly hit on subscribe button and help us to grow.
Click the bell icon to receive regular updates.